Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make a Boulevardier, a beautiful drink that was invented in 1930s Paris that was essentially a bourbon Negroni. Again, the Boulevardier is a very simple to make drink. It's just equal parts Campari, bourbon, and sweet vermouth. The Campari has a bitter medicinal flavor to it that matches very well with the sweet vermouth's herbal flavors, and that's really what you're balancing here. And it's all on top of a bourbon base, which actually gives it a caramel, vanilla, toasted oak flavor to the mix, which mellows out the flavors quite a bit. It's a wonderful drink, and it's very simple to make. I actually think the most important ingredient in this cocktail is the sweet vermouth. You can buy really nice sweet vermouths in just small bottles that don't cost that much more than the big bottle sweet vermouths. And sweet vermouth actually goes bad after a while, so usually I never finish one of the larger bottles anyway. So just buy the smaller one, get a nice small one that's maybe only a few dollars more, and it'll substantially improve the taste of the drink. The bourbon's not quite as important, just find one you like and stick with that. And as far as Campari goes, there's really only one Campari, so that makes that easy. And Campari has a very bitter, medicinal taste to it. It's not something really for the faint of palate. You have to enjoy that taste to like this kind of cocktail. Now you want to give this drink a good stir for probably about 20 or 30 seconds. You're looking to actually water it down and cool the drink a bit. It's saying about 27% alcohol by volume, so don't worry about a little water getting in there. That actually softens and opens up the flavors of the drink a little bit too. Go ahead and get the glass ready that you're going to serve this in, and then you'll want to add an ice cube to it to help keep the drink cool. Let's go ahead and pop a strainer on top of that, keep the ice inside, and then just strain that into the glass. And this drink here is looking pretty good, but you're not done yet. There's still one more part, and that's where you want to add your garnish. In this case, it's an orange. Now you want to get a nice good chunk of rind off this thing. You can use a peeler. I like using a knife just because that's what I prefer, but a peeler works perfectly fine too. It doesn't really matter, just whatever helps you get a nice sizable piece of rind off of this. Now locked inside this orange rind are wonderful, delicious orange oils, and that's what you're looking to squeeze on top of this. Go ahead and just give it a good firm squeeze, and that'll squeeze a ton of oil out. Get that into the drink. Top it off with a nice little rim job here, and then just stick it on in. And now you are done. Look at that. That's a perfect Boulevardier. The flavors are spot on, it looks great, the oils are wonderful. You're set. It was simple, easy to make. If you'd like to learn more classic cocktail recipes, go to my website, vintageamericancocktail.com, or download my iPhone and Android app, Vintage American Cocktail. Thank you and enjoy.